the video already. You see me, I just laid back my my braids, because this look that I want my face to pop a bit. I'm going to be using water first, guys. I always tell you, like I always say, good, I don't use any mist or whatever spray. I just use water, which is this. It's just water in here, and I'm just gonna hydrate. I already did my brows and my face, washed my face when I was bathing in the morning, and now I'm just going to use, I'm gonna from Huda Beauty, and I'm gonna use the red color. Guys, this method that I just googled, and so I really need to not to move a lot, so I'm just gonna use the eyeshadow brush and start applying. If you see me looking down, guys, I'm looking at the mirror. I'm just gonna start applying the eyeshadow. I'm doing a Valentine's makeup look, a very simple one. I'm not doing something heavy. I'm not gonna try and be creative and arty, so please watch me do that. I'm gonna play a song in the background, so I don't want to talk too much, because again, this method I'm using, guys, is too much. So hope you enjoy the video. Just get ready with it. Get ready with me while I do a Valentine's makeup look. That's the name of the video. You can see by the title. Already I'm late, I don't know why, but again, I'm so late, and which is okay. On pace, on race. And then I'm just going to apply foundation. It is Avon True Color Flawless Liquid Foundation in the shade, what is the shade? Caramel, which is this one right here. And then I'm just going to shake it. Normally what I do, guys, is I don't like to use a brush to apply of my hands. What am I saying, fingers? So I'm just going to use my fingers, which is this, and then yes, guys, I was like ignoring this lighting. I thought it was not going to come through for me, but it is coming through for me. Then I'm going to use my beauty blender sponge and use my water. And then I'm just going to dab. I use concealer, which is from Revlon Color Stay, which is this one, guys. I love using this. Like, I love it. I'm so in love with this. I'm not going to apply too much, just a little on the corner and the side corner of my eyelid and the side, and then my chin, nose. That's it. Going again with the beauty blender sponge, and I'm going to show I wet the sponge just a little bit one time, and then I'm going to blend. I'm using natural lighting, guys, if you want to know, because we don't have electricity now. I miss my light, I don't want to lie. They cut off our electricity, so I'm using this method of using a natural light. I hope it works, because the method I'm using, guys, it needs like proper lighting. The Elite Gold Pro Concealer for the shade Not Too the yellow undertone. When I'm done, I'm going to use I'm going to use the Revlon Color Stay again in the shade Espresso 00080, which is this baby just right, here. The side brush, which is this one, and then I'm going to use my water again so that my concealer can blend in nicely, because the color stay concealers, they dry very quickly, so you have to be very quickly when you do this method. And if you have water, you can just use the water. I put it on my chin so my chin can have like this shape of a sharp method. See, it blends very nicely and seamlessly. I'm gonna go in again with my compact powder from Essence, because I feel like it's not the way I want it to. I'm just gonna dab it. I think you know that it is broken, so I just need to not show it because it's see why I like to put the dark concealer here, because my chin can have that effect, that sharp effect of. I'm gonna go in again, and then what I'm gonna do is I am going to apply I'm going to use the translucent powder again, just to bake and shape. That's what I use only for shaping. Inkukhu zimgcwalele guys today, I don't know why, but they did, and I'm very happy for that. So I'm going to use this brush to clean it off. I don't want it to stay longer. Done, and I'm going to highlight all the popping places with my favorite shimmer from MAC, which is this baby just right here. You know I swear by this finishing natural eyes from MAC, guys. I swear by this product, love it to bits. I'm going to use that to highlight the eyebrow bone, bridge nose. I need to wet this because I feel like if I wet it, it's much more convenient for me to highlight, even though it's not going to show that much. And then I'm going to use on my tear dot. And then I'm going to use like, sorry guys, this is still not clean. And then I'm going to use it just here. Then the last part of the eyes, I'm going to be using a flat brush, and I'm going to be using Guys, as I say, guys, to you guys, my eyes are very sensitive, so I need to be very careful when I apply anything that has to come to my, when it comes to my eyes. So I'm going to use eyeshadow, the dark color from my under eyelids. I'm very, like, guys, you have no idea the struggle I go to. Already read. And then I'm going to use the same brush to do my under eye with the red color under. Okay. We see you. All done, and now I'm just going to spray the water. And then I'm going to highlight my cheekbones and my nose. Use from Signature to highlight those. No, I'm lying. I'm going to blush. I'm going to use the red color to blush, because it has to match. Guys, I'm using eyeshadows. So I'm going to use this brush to highlight and use my favorite color, which is same. All done. So now I'm going to use the spray again so my highlighter can pop. Okay guys, I'm gonna go off camera and go apply my lashes, because my eyes again, guys, you know, they give me a problem. So I'm gonna be back and do the last two steps, which the eyelashes and my lips. I'll see you guys now. Okay guys, I am done applying my lashes, even though this one is giving me a problem, but I am done. I'm just gonna apply the L'Oreal Paris, which is this baby, just right here. I love this. I love it so much. It is so gorgeous. Okay. I'm just waiting for it. Ooh. Okay. Okay, guys. While I do the Valentine's makeup look, guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, guys. From me to you guys, I am Mmabs Olifant signing out. Love you guys so much. I'll see you guys on the next makeup video, which will be probably next week. So from me to you guys,